Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Remove duplicate values. Select the range of cells that has duplicate values you want to remove. Tip: remove any outlines or subtotals from your data before trying to remove duplicates. Click Data, Remove Duplicates, and then under Columns, check or uncheck the columns where you want to remove the duplicates. Click OK.
Let's help you make your mark.
Because the Remove Duplicates tool permanently deletes identical records, it's a good idea to make a copy of the original data before removing duplicate rows. To begin with, select the range in which you want to delete dupes. To select the entire table, press Ctrl+A.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To remove duplicates from a result set, you use the distinct operator in the select clause as follows. Select distinct column 1, column 2, from table 1. If you use one column after the distinct operator, the database system uses that column to evaluate duplicate.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Remove duplicates from Google Sheets using the built-in feature. The built-in feature offers the basic functionality of removing duplicate cells. To do so, highlight the data you'd like to include, and click Data, Remove Duplicates.
Let's help you make your mark.
Remove duplicate rows based on one or more column values. My_data % greater than %dplyr. Distinct, sepal. Length, R base function to extract unique elements from vectors and data frames. Unique, my_data. R base function to determine duplicate elements. Duplicated, my_data.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.